What are you doing?
This.
What are they called?
Fan wax.
Which color are you going to use?
Wow. 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 Wow.
What did you write?
There's kind of one.
Can you write your name?
No, I like the eye.
You don't like the I.
G, A, B, I. G.
What numbers can you write?
2, 1, 0. 0. That's a 9. That's T. 0.
I see. How many crayon racks do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12, 13, 14. A 20. 100.
What did you do with Daddy outside?
Double with him.
You shoveled with him. What did you shovel?
No.
Oh. How did it feel?
Crunchy. 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 Crunchy.
Very crunchy or just a little?
A lot.
And was it warm?
Oh.
Cold.
Let's back in. Let's back in. This is like a video of you doing this.
I am taking a video of you doing this.
Now on a computer.
You would like me to finish the video so we can watch it?
On a computer.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.